In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use speech to text feature on Google Gemini app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, Google Gemini app allows you to dictate or just to speak through a microphone, and it will capture everything that you have spoken and also give you a response in an audio format. To do this is quite simple. Just go ahead and open your Gemini app. So I'll go to my Gemini app and open, and once you are here, identify the microphone icon and hit is. So if you tap on this, go ahead and speak through the microphone. So I'll go ahead and do that. Hello, please tell me what you are capable of.
Hello, I'm Gemini, a helpful AI assistant built by Google. Here's a breakdown of what I am capable of. General capabilities: answering questions and providing information. I can answer questions on a vast range of topics, summarize information, and help with research. Generating creative text formats. I can write different kinds of creative content like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Summarizing and explaining. I can take complex topics, emails, or documents and break them down or summarize the key points. Translation. I can translate between many different.
And that is it. Now you can see, apart from giving us a written chat, it has also gone ahead and read it out loud. So each and every time you want to hear the spoken or the audio version, just go ahead and tap on this audio icon, and then it will read it out. So that's how you can use Gemini audio to text feature on Gemini app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.